by the way, you can Google it. But essentially what this thing is that it solves a very important problem with when it comes to the usability of AI.
Okay.
And the very important or the one of the largest problems that we have with AI, well, actually it has two problems.
Okay.
We have the problem of context length, so it cannot really keep things in context for a very long time. And the second problem that we have is the problem of actually, sort of like inserting the data in the AI, like telling the AI what to do. Right?
Okay.
So you might want to actually not touch the stand because वो करेगा, noise करेगा.
Noise करेगा.
हाँ.
I am still adjusting it. Yeah, बोलो.
So the other half of the problem, as I was saying, was the problem where you want to put information in the AI so that it can actually do meaningful stuff for you, right? For example, let's say you're building an web app, okay?
Yeah.
When you're building a web app, well, you have your designs on Figma. So maybe your Figma set designs like you're trying to build this thing out.
Yeah.
Then you're running it on your browser.
Yeah.
And browser mein you're getting errors, right? And then again you're running it through Cursor or any other जो भी editor है.
Let's not get that far, okay?
Right.
Let's just go back, strip it down.
Yeah.
My question is, first of all, okay, it's just a stupid question. Why such a boring name? How do you market that with MCP?
Yeah, I don't know what with the names. This is something I think introduced by Anthropic. They're the ones who introduced the name.
Yeah, but you know what I've also been reading is OpenAI also into something similar 2 years ago. I don't remember what they called it. I think 2call या फिर कुछ ऐसा बोलते थे.
Okay.
Right? And there are other alternatives as well. Why is MCP picking up the buzz?
Well, I just from what I've seen, it is very simple to use. You can basically have like a single file,
correct,
single code file, and then with that you can connect APIs to the thing, right? And the usefulness of this thing comes in because you can take inputs from multiple different locations and then plug it all into the AI. You can have
so you can have multiple data sources.
Yes, just like I was explaining with the example, you have Figma there, you have something on a browser. No, but I'm trying to describe a flow here. Right?
Okay.
Because you're taking your designs from Figma, you're writing the code on some code editor, and then you are running the code on the browser.
Yeah.
So you have a browser open वहाँ पे, and let's say some error happens on the browser. That is one thing that could happen. Another thing that could happen is maybe there's a design I'm trying to replicate. I'm trying to vibe code and I'm trying to like basically tell the AI to build it for me. The AI model doesn't have any idea what a design looks like because only I can see it through my eyes on Figma. So the model doesn't know what to do. I can tell it, oh, make it green, make it rounded, make it this much padding, that much padding.
Yeah.
But then you get to a point where I'm like, यार ये मैं खुद ही code क्यों नहीं कर लेता? AI को क्यों बता रहा हूँ मैं?
Yeah.
Right. So that problem occurs because
also there are certain with AI with existing AI.
So there's the problem is in communicating the vision, which is the image or the Figma design, to the AI, and then also telling it कि ये problem से ये solve करो. But then I cannot tell it कि ये problems. I have to tell it कि I have to copy the thing and paste it over here. So that's like too tedious, and that is the problem with adoption with AI because अगर किसी चीज को इतना tedious बना दोगे तो वो adopt नहीं होने वाला है. You have to make it simple, make it easy.